So I bought the Homasy humidifier from Amazon. This is a box, right? Homasy brand. And in it, the base of the humidifier, right? This is a cord that's plugged in, and the tank. Okay, so this is what is going to be put there. Okay, so the cost of this was $50.99. It's a 2.2 liter cool mist humidifier that can last up to 24 hours. It's auto shut off, and it has 3 adjustable mist output. Like one, it goes around in 3. Okay, and then to fill it up, which I have already done before, I used last night and it was really good because I have sinusitis and it's really bad, so I'm just trying to see what I can use to help me breathe better. So this is the handle right here. This is where the mist will come out into the room, and this is where you're gonna open to put in the water. Then you put it to sit here. Okay, so I'll do that. I'm using cold water. I'll stop where I think it's, you know, reasonable enough. Over. Now it's filling the base. Right, so the bubbles have stopped, so you can now see that the base is filled. Okay, now we turn it on. See? See the mist? And you turn it up and it gets better, or you have more mist coming out until it bugs. Right? And that's how it works. Now if the water is very low, and say you've gone on the street and you forgot to turn it off, it will shut off automatically. But before, say you're here and the water is low, it will turn red. It will indicate by turning red, and then you will know to refill it or turn it off. This you can also shift according to where you want it. This part. Right, so you just shift it like that. Yep. It's so cool and nice. I like it. Really refreshing air coming out. Good for everyone, baby, adults. According to the book, you get a book that will give you some tips. You get a little brush to do the cleaning of wherever needs to be brushed. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and share. Also like.